brightness changing, weird colors, smooth motion, or your TCL TV not looking right. These issues usually come from wrong settings, not the TV. In this video, I will show you how to change the most important TCL TV settings to fix dim screen, auto brightness, unnatural colors, motion issues, gaming lag, stretched picture, and volume problems, all with simple steps you can do at home. First, open your TV settings, then go to System, then Power and Energy, and turn off Energy Saver or Eco mode. This setting limits your brightness and can make your screen look dim, and sometimes it even stops you from increasing brightness properly, so turning it off gives you full control. Now go to Display and Sound, then open Intelligent Settings or Intelligent Picture. Here, turn off Adaptive Brightness, Adaptive Content, and Adaptive Color Temperature. These settings keep changing your brightness and colors automatically based on the room or the video, which can cause your screen to dim randomly or look like it's flickering, so it's better to turn them off. Next, go to Picture Settings and change the picture mode to movie mode or filmmaker mode. And these modes give you natural colors and remove extra processing. Do not use vivid because it makes the screen too bright and harsh, and avoid standard if the picture looks too blue or unnatural. Use sports mode only when watching sports and game mode only when playing games. Now, adjust brightness and contrast. When you're watching normal content, set brightness based on your room. Increase it during the day and lower it at night if the screen feels too strong. When you're watching HDR content, brightness and contrast are usually already high. If the picture looks flat, keep local contrast on high. You can adjust peak luminance if needed, but do not keep it off if the screen looks dim. After that, go to sharpness and lower it between 0 and 20. If sharpness is too high, it adds fake white edges around objects and makes the picture look unnatural, so keeping it low gives a cleaner image. Now go back and turn off dynamic contrast, dynamic color, and micro contrast if the picture looks over-processed. Also turn off automatic HDR conversion. These settings can make colors look fake because brightness jumps and make normal content look unnatural. Next, go to Advanced Picture Settings, then Motion. Turn off motion clarity if movies look too smooth or fake. If you're watching sports, you can keep blur reduction and judder reduction low instead of high. High motion settings can create the soap opera effect or ghosting around fast-moving objects. Now, play any Dolby Vision content and open Picture Settings. Use Dolby Vision Dark if you want a more accurate picture in a dark room. If the screen looks too dark, switch to Dolby Vision Bright. If this mode turns on motion smoothing, go into Motion Settings and turn it off or reduce it. After that, find the option called Apply Picture Settings to all inputs and turn it on if you want the same settings on all apps and HDMI devices. Only keep it off if you want different settings for each device. Now go to Screen Settings and set Screen Format to Auto and Screen Mode to 16:9. This helps fix stretched, zoomed, or incorrectly sized pictures. Next, open Sound Settings and set the TV placement to wall mount if your TV is on a wall, or stand if it is on furniture. Also turn off auto volume control if your volume keeps going up and down by itself. And then go to Channels and Inputs, open External Inputs, and turn on HDMI control or CEC. This allows you to control devices like a soundbar or console using your TCL remote. If you play games, go to Picture Settings and turn on Game Mode when using your console. And this reduces input lag and makes your TV respond faster. Now, go to Device Preferences or System Settings, open Date and Time, and set it to Automatic. This helps prevent network and Wi-Fi issues. Finally, do not change advanced settings like white balance or color management. And these require special tools, and changing them without proper setup can make your picture worse instead of better. That's it for this video on the TCL TV settings you must change to fix common issues and get the best picture and sound. I hope these simple step-by-step settings help you fix dim screen, auto brightness, weird colors, motion issues, and other problems on your TV. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful TV fixes. If you have any questions or if these settings worked for you, let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.